guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you LED lights. So in case you guys are looking for lights for your outside patio, then definitely this review will help you. So these are the 48 feet LED light for like outside. And this is from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it looks. So this is the packaging. The packaging is really nice. So these are the cables. So you can see this quality is like really good. So I have ordered it for my patio, and these are the LED bulbs. You can see this is like a good size, pretty good size. So let's see. So I'll show you. So they have like hinges, so you can attach, you can hang the light. So this is 48 feet. So this thing is like really helpful. So let me connect it on the patio. So I'm planning to put these lights like here, like all the way here, here and this way, around here on the patio ceiling. So let's see how it looks. This is the way I have connected my lights. I have not finished it yet, but somehow I have connected the lights with these hooks and with some zip ties. So this is the way I have connected. Now I have connected this like this way, you can see. Similarly here is also I have hung this wire with zip tie. This is how I connected these balls. You can see. I mean, I have connected here, but if you have like long, like outside garden or something like that, then you can use it in your. It's like pretty long, and the cables are like really great. So for the outside also, it's like really good. My lights. So it's not really dark, but in the dark it will definitely look good. Yeah, it's really beautiful. How I have arranged these LED lights. This way. You can see. I can put it like here, but I don't understand how to put these LED lights here. So I have put it like here. I have seen that some people put their lights here also in the screen, but I don't find anything to hang the lights. That's why I have put there. Yeah, it looks good, and it's pretty bright and looks really nice. So you can see the lights in the real light. This is how the light looks. Guys, it's completely dark outside, so you can see my lights. It's like really great. This looks nice. Yeah, it's completely cover my patio, and love it. Yeah, if I, instead of this way area, if I put on that area and the like screen, maybe it would look more great. So I put here. It looks nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.